all that damage and destruction.
I know. It's so beautiful.
Whoa, whoa, whoa!
Oh. Nobody blows stuff up like Thor.
That's what Thor did to the statue. I told you what it was, and we haven't given it to him. Until we rid this island of that night fury, Thor's fire will continue to rain down upon us.
You don't really think Thor is angry because of Toothless, do you?
Of course I don't.
Open up, Stoic. We've come for the night fury.
But I'm afraid they do. Get Toothless to a safe place. I'll try to reason with them.
If I...
Just go!
Safe travels, old friend.
Don't worry, bud. It's you and me.
Give up the dragon, Stoic. Look at your people. We've had enough.
You're too late. He's gone.
Stoic's already sent him off the island.
Thor says otherwise. The dragon must still be on the island. Find the night fury.
We can hide Toothless in the cove for now.
They'll just find him. No, we have to leave.
We?
He can't make it on his own. And I wouldn't want him to. I'm going with him, Astrid.
But you'll come back, right?
Yeah, eventually. When they all realize this didn't happen because of Toothless.
You better go.
Where's the boy? And more importantly, where's the dragon?
I don't know, Mildew, but you got your wish. Hiccup and Toothless are gone.
Now, Bob, find the night fury. All of